Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chrysler 300 thermostat. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench set, a new thermostat, and a drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, locate the thermostat housing, typically found near the engine's front, where the upper radiator hose connects. Now, let's drain the coolant. Position a suitable drain pan directly under your radiator's drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug to allow the engine coolant to flow out completely. This process might take several minutes. Once drained, use a pair of pliers to loosen the clamp on the upper radiator hose, then gently detach the hose from the thermostat housing. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 bolts securing the thermostat housing to the engine block. With the housing removed, carefully extract the old thermostat and its gasket. Take a moment to thoroughly clean both mating surfaces on the engine block and the housing to ensure a perfect, leak-free seal. Now, insert your brand new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces towards the engine. Then, position a new gasket onto the thermostat housing, aligning it correctly before reattaching the housing to the engine block. After installing the new thermostat, reattach the housing and securely connect the upper radiator hose. Don't forget to close the radiator drain plug tightly. Now, slowly refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant and distilled water mixture. Start the engine, allowing it to reach operating temperature, and carefully bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, meticulously inspect all connections for any signs of leaks to ensure a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.